Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us may have encountered at some point: the mysterious disappearance of important files from our computer. Whether it's due to accidental deletion, a system crash, or just the case of the files playing hide and seek, losing data can be a major headache. But fear not, because we got a solution that might just save the day. Now, let's talk about the solution. When files mysteriously vanish from your computer, one way to potentially recover them is by making use of data recovery software. These specialized programs are designed to scan your storage devices for lost or deleted files and help you retrieve them. By running a thorough scan and following the instructions provided by the software, you may be able to recover those missing files and breathe a sigh of relief. In addition to using data recovery software, another solution to consider is checking your recycle bin or trash folder. Sometimes, files that appear to be missing have actually just been moved to these temporary storage locations. By taking a quick peek inside, you might find your files sitting there patiently, waiting to be restored to their rightful place. It's always worth a shot before diving into more complex data recovery methods. To wrap things up, losing important files can be a stressful experience, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, there's often a solution to be found. Whether you opt for data recovery software or a simple check of your recycle bin, don't lose hope. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below sharing your own file recovery stories. Until next time, happy file hunting!